I found out I'm pregnant.
Huh? Are you sure?
Yes, I took a test and I don't know how to tell my mom or Ethan.
I know this is difficult, but hiding it won't make it disappear. You need to face it, and you don't have to face it anymore.
I'm afraid everyone will judge me.
Ano ba? Some people might, but the people who truly care about you will help you through this. Emma is pregnant.
Huh?
Sophia, Emma told me we need to talk.
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Is that true?
I'm sorry. We both made a mistake.
I won't run away from my responsibility. I stand by you, and together we'll tell to our parents.
It doesn't only affect us. It affects our families and future.
Sophia, what's wrong?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Sorry for what?
I'm pregnant, Dad.
I'm hurt because I wanted a bright future for you.
I'm sorry, Dad. I know I disappointed you.
But no matter what happens, you're still my daughter.
Morning, class!
Good morning, Mrs. Carter.
Now, today we're going to talk about teenage pregnancy.
Ma'am, why do many teenagers experience this?
There are so many reasons such as lack of knowledge, peer pressure, and making decision without knowing the consequences. So that's why respect, education, responsibility is so important.
Ma'am, what can teenagers do to avoid it?
Focus on your goals, choose wisely, and trust in yourself, and don't be afraid to ask adults for guide.
I was hoping you would come through. I was hoping you would come through. It's true. I only do this party for you. I only do this party for you, for you, for you. I'm about to party on you. What's your party on you? Yeah. I only do this party for you. Only do this party for you, for you, for you. I was hoping you would come through. I was hoping you would come through. It's true. Only do this party for you. I only do this party for you, for you, for you. I'm about to party on you. Watch me party on you, yeah. Party on you, party on you, party on, 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 party